it's Clíodhna from the Celtic Cello. I recently put out a series of videos about the Celtic pentatonic scale, and thank you so much for all your shares and comments. And I've had a lot of questions about where to go from here, so I've decided the best thing to do is to have a live masterclass. It's going to be this Sunday, the 5th of September at 1 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central European time. Registration is free, and when you register you'll get the sheet music for 2 tunes in the pentatonic scale, plus the scales that you can practice with. And in the class we're going to cover these tunes, we'll learn them together, and we'll also have a chance to interact, that you can really ask me your questions live, and I can have a look at your cello playing, see how I can really best help you to move forward from here. So see you there at the Celtic Cello Masterclass on Sunday the 5th of September.